Go.
Open up. Go.
Well, hello, is this thing on? Is anybody listening? A brand new day has begun. The first thing that I wanna do is make sure that you feel it too. So I'm not the only one. Come on and let me up, it's a brand new day. Open up a little happiness today, so I can be someone new. Come on and let me up to a better way. Open up a smile on another face, so I can feel something new. Open up some happiness. Open up, feel some happiness. Open up some happiness. Open up some happiness.
Let me clear my throat so you can hear clearly every word spoke. Today I woke up feeling lovely, happiness overflowing, knowing somebody loves me. And just think, yesterday I was down and out. Now there's not a single thing for me to frown about. And the same thing can happen to you. Smiling so hard my mouth look like a cap on you.
I want the sun to shine all the time. Is that too much to ask? Oh, I wanna have some fun. I want all my friends to come, 'cause it's now or never. Learn the words and sing together. Come on, let me up, it's a brand new day. Open up a little happiness today, so I can be someone new. Come on and let me up to a better way. Open up a smile on another face, so I can feel something new.
Your heart deserves your trust, a choice made by all of us. The sun will come back tomorrow. There's a message in the bottle, so come on, I'll meet you there. There's enough sunshine to share, as long as